Alright, so I am pulling into Hyundai. I haven't been here since they did renovations. Like I said, they renovated the place. I probably won't record when I go in, but so I'm gonna find a place to park with this FedEx deal right now. So there you go, Hyundai. I'm gonna park down here. But I'm here to get my 100,000 mile maintenance on all. Yeah, it looks different. That looks the same, that area. But I'll see, you know, see what they say. Looking for price, Hyundai. It used to not look like that, it was different. And then Kia buildings, oh, they're doing something over there. The Kia buildings over there. But I don't know, I'll see. They made something go to a different location. I remember I called about this a few years ago. And they actually told me they don't service Genesis Coupes at this location anymore, of course. So, I'll see what they say. I'm gonna have to go way across town to... Town's a very vague word here, but a very large area. So, I'm gonna have to go to another area. I don't know. Anyway, this might go into a random POV vlog or something. I don't know. Again, I'm just here to ask. Just came from the doctor. A long day at the doctor, so... and that's it. I mean, I'll see what they say. Again, I'm at 100. And see, I need an oil change. I need an oil change at 101,000 miles. So, yeah. Let me see what they say about the price and everything. It's going to suck, but it's in my warranty, so I'll talk to them. Hopefully, they don't try to deny my warranty. Because, again, I talked about this a few years ago when I called them. And they said they don't service the Genesis Coupe anymore. And that I had to go to a faraway location. So I'll see what they say. So yeah, I just went in there and talked to him. He said he had a Genesis Coupe too, of course. But so I was told that the maintenance does not cover oil, fluids, or anything like that, which I'm pretty sure is BS. Here's a booklet. Not making it up. Now look at this: 97,000 miles and 105,000 miles. There you go. Under warranty, I'm supposed to have all this done. You know, at least expected and things. I know power steering fluid, I've never changed, so I know that's low. Because they keep telling me about that. So, I'm supposed to get all this done here. And he's telling me they don't do much. He said it's mainly for powertrain. That's what he told me. So, I have to call in. Hopefully I have a way I can just send them a picture of this, man. Because I swear, man, these... Hyundai is not a good company. It sucks. They're just BSing people. But yeah, I'm supposed to get this, right? But he told me they don't cover oil, and it says replace oil right there. Engine oil and filter right there. So that's supposed to be all under my warranty. And he said it's just for powertrain. You know, transmission and engine, they're going to check that out. So yeah, I don't know, man. I'll figure it out.